red here. She's been faithful. She's been strong. She lived quite long. Anyways, got a pretty penny for this thing. Mint condition. Don't worry about that. Anyways, the guy's buying it from me. Before he buys it, he wants a new one of these welded on. And I'm thinking he's going to pay me. Well, that apparently is not happening. And since I ain't making no money, guess I'm going to make a YouTube video on it. Anyways, he's walking around the truck looking at it, picking out things, saying it needs new tires. These tires are mint. They have at least 70,000 miles left on them. Bed's solid as a rock. Don't worry about that either. So, we're going to get to hacking, whacking, and welding. So hang on, hold tight, here we go. Alright, so first thing we got to do for easy access, we got to take the tailgate off. That was pretty easy. Now that the hard part's over, take the old cutoff wheel and zip, dip, jibbity dip. Make sure you wear the right shoes for the job, Bob. Hey, her, hey, her, hey, her, hey, her, hey, hey, hey. Yeah. All right. Looks good. Okay, so we're just rolling up to the island of misfit borrowed toys. Paid in cash. We'll grab this bad boy. She's gonna drop right here, something like that. Got that. Got that. Slap the old girl in. Run some junk off that. Got this bad boy up. Whoa! About got the steel toe boots on that one. Anyway, the little fella's gonna drop in. Should be a snug fit. Beautiful. Alright, so we got this bad boy ready to rip. Got this ready for... Oh my gosh. Oh, well, speaking of the devil. This little fella right here. Come on. This fella's gonna sit right in there. Something like that. And give this girl the old flippy do over. This fella just sitting right in there somewhere like that. Might have to. It's gonna sit in there like that. I think the plate's gonna get in the way, but that's not. We don't worry about that. Get to welding. Now, something to remember when you're welding on a vehicle. If you're grounded to the old girl, you want to make sure that your battery terminals are connected. Now, most people would say otherwise, but my theory is we're putting power into the truck, so we might as well charge the battery while we're at it. Let's get to welding. Wait, before we start welding, I gotta put some holes in this stupid thing. I don't even know what hole size I need. Don't worry about it. Tighten this bad boy up. Doodly doodly doo. I should probably measure this out. I'll be right back. If you ain't got a punch, you tap. If you ain't got a tap, use a nail. That looks close enough. 1. 2. Probably plug it in. Might help. Oh, she's ready to rip. I only invest in the finest drill bits from Harbor Freight. Don't you worry about it. Everything's fine. I meant to do that. Don't worry about it. Whoa, yep. See, that's one of them quick releases. Ooh, that girl's hot. Woo. Beautiful. A little sloppy. That's all right. Next side. I need a man Love that sound. Ready for a pin? Dang it. Quality. Yeah, boy. Snug. Oh, man, I like that. All right. Go Weld on. Whoa! Eat. All right. That's gonna sit. Straight as an arrow. All right. I'm only attacking this with the old MIG gun. Daddy's almost out of gas. Nice and cold. I don't even think I got it. There we go. Engage. Now we're gonna stick weld it right after. Sometimes you gotta rock it in there. Oh yeah, that's going everywhere. Nowhere. That is gonna be beautiful. Oh. Oh my. Alright, now we have that all globbed together. It should just drop right in there. Over here, I got a piece of angle. Man, don't worry about that. Just as a... There we go. Alright, that's in. Now, set the distance so it's not crooked. Got this little thing, there's a frame rail right in front of it. I'm gonna take this, butt it right up the frame rail. Beautiful. Same with this side. Beautiful. Give it one last look-ski. Yep, that works. Good enough. One over here. I should give her a little dimension measurement. Yep, looks good. Snap another one right. That's hot on the toes. Come around here. Yep, that's what that looks like. All right, let's weld the old girl out. Smoky, smoky! Little flipsky dipsky. Come on, stupid camera. Right there. Alright. That's enough of that. She's ready to pull a house down. Alright. This thing's not going, well, thing's not going anywhere. Solid like a rock. Like I said, she's not going anywhere. Everything else might fall off, but she's ready to rock. Thanks for watching. It's a new flex bed. Standard on all S10s. Solid.